Hey guys, welcome back to my first YouTube video. Today we're going to be working on making slime less sticky. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so this slime is in fact very, very sticky and literally will drip. Just look at that. It's melted. So first off, are the ingredients you're going to be needing for this. So let's just go ahead and put this aside, and let's go ahead and get to our ingredients. So the things you need for this is baking soda, and then you're also going to need water. Third thing, you're also going to be needing some kind of container to kind of put it in. You could also just do it in a bowl as well. And then you'll also need like something to mix it with, and it could be a spoon or just anything you'd like. Okay, so I got my spoon, and now let's just go ahead and get to it. So we're just gonna go ahead and open up our container. I think maybe we should get our baking soda first. Then you can just go ahead and it kind of matters how big your slime is for how much you need. So I'm just going to kind of estimate. I think maybe just a tad more. Because you're not going to need that much, but you can't have less. And then you're going to pour the water in. I think this is going to get a little bit messy. None has dripped out yet. Let's hope no karma here. Oh wow, I did that without spilling it. I'm actually really surprised. And then you're just gonna go ahead and mix it up. So all the baking soda is like at the bottom. And yeah, so my spoon can't fit in it, so I'm just gonna use like the bottom part of it to stick it in. I'm just gonna kind of mix that up. It's gonna make the water almost look foggy. Like, just like that. Then once your water is foggy, I'm gonna put my top on, and then we're gonna go ahead and start mixing. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my slime over here. This slime is insanely sticky. Like, it was, if you take it out of the container, it's a complete mess. That's why we tried to put a whole bunch of activator in it, but it just did not work. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, and we're just gonna put in little by little just to see if the slime warms up to it. I can already tell it's not sticking to my hands as much. Yeah. So I'm gonna tell you when I'm finished mixing this. Okay, I can tell it like doesn't stick to my fingers anymore, but it's still really drippy. So we're just gonna be adding a little bit more, and yeah, this slime came to my house whenever I bought it, and it came super duper sticky. And honestly, I don't know why, because we're actually in cold weather right now. So we're just gonna keep mixing this, and maybe while I'm doing this, you guys could go ahead and click that subscribe button. That would really help and support my videos. Thank you so much. I think that's about done. Yeah. It's still stretchy, but it's not as sticky. Now I think we're gonna attempt to get this out of the container. Okay, I got it out of the container. You can't hear the pokes because my microphone. It's definitely not as sticky, but it's not like that soft where you can like stretch it. So we're gonna add a little bit more, and then you're pretty much just gonna keep adding until it becomes less sticky. Whoa, it like slides. So yeah, I'm not picking it up with two hands. This probably isn't a very good idea, but anything would work. Let's just go ahead and kind of like poke at it. Yeah, it's still really sticky, so we're just gonna have to keep attempting to add more. I did eventually get it off my hands, And I added some to my surface so that it's not as sticky anymore. I'm just trying to rub it around in it because, yeah. But it is getting way less sticky. Like before, it was insanely sticky.
When I met you in the summer,
Before I literally...
to my heartbeat sound.
Well, guys, there's your tutorial. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button. It would do me lots of good. Love you guys, and I hope I did good for my first video. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.